What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a commercial sink, you guys. This is a wall mount sink. This is not the regular sink. It is commercial and stuff like that. But right now we are going to do the unboxing. Here we go. All right. And the first thing that comes out, the instructions. And we have the actual faucet. There are a lot of pieces here, you guys. There are a lot of pieces. This is actually intimidating. If somebody is buying this straight from Amazon, this is intimidating. But we are going to go ahead and try to figure this thing out. Make sure you have all your parts that you need. We are on the parts page. We have this part. Okay. All right, you guys. So we have a hex. So it's going to go on just like this. It's going to go flush. And we are going to tighten it up. It's a little hex screw right here to tighten it up. All right. All right. So now we have this part on. We need this plus this, and then we need this, and this has an extension on it already. All right, so on here, it don't tell you to add the extension. All right, so we're still on 1.5.1. It has rubber in here already. So I know y'all can't see it, but it's like a piece of rubber or a gasket or something in there. And I believe both of these sides are the same. So we're just gonna go ahead and screw this on to here. This is just a regular shaft part. Can get a little wrench or something and hold it there, but I think hand tightening will be good for right now. But it fits perfectly fine. So you see how it goes and it stays in tight. So now I'm gonna tighten it and let's see what happens if it stays still. But it should stay still though. So there we go. And this hook also has a plastic piece on it. And it has a Phillips screw right there. So I'm pretty sure that's how you loosen and tighten it up. So let's see if it goes in. If it don't go in perfectly, we will have to loosen it. And it looks like we have to loosen it. All right, you guys, don't do what I'm doing. All right, I have an impact driver. Use a regular screwdriver. I don't go heavy on my drills and stuff. All right, so I took that off. And let's see if this thing will. There we go. All right, we need our on and off valve right here. And I know you can't see it, but there's a black rubber piece right there, all right? So we are going to go ahead and screw this in. On which one? Okay, the last screw right here. So we're going to screw it in on here. And again, you guys, this thing is heavy duty. This is not light at all. All right. All right. Now it's even with your sink. Oh, sorry, I know y'all can't see, but I'll show y'all when we get it all the way up, but it's even with this part. Now we're going to 1.5.3. You see the gaskets or the O-ring right here is going to face down and you're going to screw it in like this. All right. Again, make sure that you have those black gaskets in there. They're already set in there, but just make sure it's in there so you don't suffer no leaks. All right, so in the picture, they wanted you to install this to the wall first, but I'm just showing y'all the assembly of putting this thing together. So as you can see, you have your rubber O-rings right there. You basically slide it all the way down until you see the O-rings gone, okay? These O-rings stop water from leaking out of your faucet. So that's the purpose of gaskets and O-rings, just in case you didn't know. So you want to slide it all the way down, and then this nut right here, you want to slide it down and twist. So this is how you assemble once it's already onto the wall. Basically, this is your water line hookup. So these gaskets go right in like that. All right, this is supposed to be the hookup for your water. So when you making this for your commercial sink, just make sure you do all your right measurements. This will be on the wall. This will be your water line, and that's how it works. All right, you guys, so we have our last piece. I should have showed y'all this earlier, but this is the hookup for your middle sink. So if you want water just coming out of this, if you want water to come out of here, you have to hook this up. So we are gonna turn this. Can we turn this around? Yep. You see the two rings right here? You wanna make sure you push it and make sure it hits this plastic part right there, all right? Push it in and it hits the plastic part. Again, you could take a wrench and tighten this up. We have extra parts here and stuff like that, extra O-rings, extra gaskets, perfect. I need a wide angle lens, you guys, because this thing is huge, all right? But that's basically how it goes in, and this should be faced this way. So basically, this is in your wall. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.